This is a big problem for Bitcoin, BTC. This is not good for Bitcoin's price. There's two scenarios that are forming for this Wednesday. I'm going to explain later on, so make sure to stick around for the whole video. With that said, this is DC Trading. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with family and friends. So today I'm going to explain two scenarios that are forming before our very eyes. This is very dangerous, and you guys need to be cautious. This is why I'm making this video. Yes. So first off, let's take a look at Bitcoin. As you guys know, we did get rejected around the $21,000 price level for Bitcoin once again. And it looks like we are creating this double top. As you guys can see, we got rejected here. We found a level of support. We went up, got rejected again, and now we're heading down. But right now it is holding up because this Wednesday we are waiting for the big decisions of the Fed. How high are they going to raise interest? Are they going to do 75 basis points, 50 basis points? I'm going to give my prediction and the scenarios that can happen. There are two scenarios that are forming. Yes, we can either follow this double top, or there's also a chance that we are creating a descending or an ascending channel, which is also bullish. So yes, we are creating a bullish chart pattern along with a bearish chart pattern. We're just waiting on the decision for the Fed meeting this Wednesday. How high are they going to raise interest? This is very important because there's two scenarios that can happen. Either, if the Fed decides to raise interest hikes to 75 basis points, well, guys, we're going to see a double top, and then we're going to head towards the bottom, guys. We're going to head probably back around the $18,000 range for Bitcoin. But let's just say for this example, Bitcoin, the Feds decide to raise interest hikes to 50 basis points, which that means they're not hawkish, they're slowing down. That means it's getting better, things are slowing down, the economy is slowly gathering back to its feet. Well, guys, then we're going to create this ascending channel, and we should expect the price of Bitcoin to pump probably around $22,000. That's the next level of resistance if we break through for Bitcoin. Yes, around this area between 21,700 to 22,600. That's going to happen in the second scenario for Bitcoin. So right now we must wait and see what happens, because as you guys can see, we did get rejected around the 20,900 or 21,000 if you want to round it. So yes. So my price prediction for Bitcoin by the end of this week will be below 20,000, just because I do believe interest hikes will be around 75 basis points. Yes, I do see the economy getting worse. Nothing's improving. A lot of stuff going on in the world. As a result, yes, we are going to see 75 basis points, and we should see Bitcoin dump. If it breaks below the 20,000, yes, that means it's confirmation of a double top, and we should see a major crash or dump. So those are two scenarios that are forming before our very eyes. I need you guys to be careful, you Bitcoin holders or Bitcoin traders, because this Wednesday when the Fed meeting occurs, well, guys, that is when everything will go down for Bitcoin, and that will cause a chain reaction to these other cryptocurrencies. If you take a look at the liquidity, it has slowed down just because everyone is waiting for the decision of the Feds. What are they going to do? 75 basis points, 100 basis points, or lower? Comment your thoughts on your opinion. What do you guys think the interest hikes will be this Wednesday? But as a result, because everyone is waiting and is eager to find out what is going to happen with the interest. Well, there's not a lot of liquidity, as you guys can see. 24 million was, liquidated. Not that much, as it slowed down from these past couple days. As you guys can see, almost $1.3 billion liquidated because of a short squeeze. But now everyone's just waiting. As you guys can see, we're setting up for two scenarios: a double top or an ascending triangle. Yes. So I'm making this video, guys, to prepare you guys for what is to come. If we take a closer look, if we put the volume on, yes, guys, volume is very low right now compared to these. Not very active. As you guys can see, we are creating this double top, but we need a confirmation first. So with that said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment, if you are subscribed, comment. Go check out the XRP video, which I did, explaining why XRP is not centralized, along with why did Bitcoin pump. I urge every Bitcoin holder to watch this video, because I will explain how Bitcoin pumped and why this is manipulation, all that. And then I'm going to make sure to go watch Bitcoin's crash 2018 versus 2022, which is very, very similar. I mean, I urge you guys right now to go check that out. Also, guys, go, vote on this. What will be the Fed interest hikes this Wednesday? 25 basis points, 50 basis points, 75 basis points, or 100 basis points. But with that said, I will also be doing an Ethereum, technical analysis on how Ethereum could hit 2,000 possibly this week, along with some quant, updates. As I said, I predicted this very correctly last week, saying that we are forming this symmetrical triangle, and we're going to see possibly quant head down. And look at, guys, I am correct right now. We are seeing quant head to the downside. This is a good time, guys, because if it dumps to the 130 and below, it's a great buy right now for quant. That's if it dumps to 130. It's possible, guys. I'm telling you, this is a good crypto or altcoin to buy right now. But with that said, enough talking. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.